In our previous videos, we have seen how guarantee schemes have contributed to improving the standard of living of the people of our state and also in bringing about gender justice. But there is a big question out there about the economy behind these guarantees. Are these guarantees making Karnataka bankrupt? Let's begin with the math behind the 5 guarantee schemes. The total expenditure of these 5 guarantee schemes annually is 52,000 crores, whereas the total budget of the state is 3,73,000 crores. So almost 1/7 of the budget. But aren't these guarantee schemes actually contributing positively to the economy? Think about it. So let's talk about what happens to the money which goes into the account of the rich and the poor. The rich are usually satisfied with their basic needs. Any extra money that goes into their account is hoarded, as we all know that. But the poor, the money, whether it's the savings from the Annabhagya scheme of not spending on the food grains, or through Gruhalakshmi scheme, or the savings that comes from Shakti Yojane, or the Yuva Nidhi, and even the Gruha Jyoti. This savings will be spent on the basic needs of their families. This in turn strengthens our economy, increases the demand, which has to increase the supply and therefore the employment. And the best part about these guarantee schemes is when Congress government brought these guarantee schemes to implement, they're in the right hands. The man behind the guarantees, Sri Siddharamaiah, has presented 15 successful budgets so far. A very successful statesman and a leader committed to social justice. Things cannot go wrong in his hands, especially when it comes to economy of the state.